So this is the water coming from Shooter's Hill, and this is not a river in dry times, but this is what it is in rain. So there's a JUTC bus coming now, just to give you a judgment of where the water is at. Look at the front of the bus.
Cross it, can I swim? That's me.
You're going to St. Thomas.
One. Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fish a man and a fish a woman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we are around to help them.
Not all the vehicles
Can cross it.
This vehicle
Can cross it. We lock away in the wilderness. Nobody cross it.
Cross.
Yesterday the bus was coming from town. A bus to the people. Just the mercy of God. Why the bus don't go over? The bus can't swim.
The bus can swim.
Bus can swim.
Believe it or not.
The bus can't swim. Yesterday, the bus was coming from town. The bus can't cross it. The last time, hurricane, dead up to bury up the top.
Nobody know for walk.
On the road, where the pumpy do? On the road. Bumbuckler. Move your umbrella now, Craig. How the fuck do you? Pumpy do. On the road. Blood clot. See there? And not even road this is true to blood clot. Over Elcha with there. But I'm going to think with this dirtier than Elcha. My car, alright, man. My car, alright.
This here, the park is just down the road there, Negro Bus Park. Everywhere underwater. Nobody can pass here, so right now. Oh gosh. Nobody can pass here.
Man, this is really water out. Look on careful. I said, Jesus Christ, water out.
So, this is a road, is it? And that's not supposed to be the sidewalk. But it's like a river. I'm going to see. So see it here? Nothing can pass, 7 miles.
Yes, so Shooter's Hill is where this water coming from. Those who are familiar with 7 Mile Bullbay know that Shooter's Hill is the community to the left as they enter in 7 Mile community. People coming in from St. Thomas are having a really rough time or had a really rough time coming through the water. Even SUVs had to be very careful because it might have washed away to the sea. Bullbay community is always impacted by floods because of the topography of the area. You know that word is from geography, you know that's how the land slope and the nature of the soil. So tune in for more updates.
Watch out! Watch out! Now come. You can't. Yeah, video auntie, I can't really take nobody right now. Jaja. Where?
Look here. Glenmere Bridge. Jesus Christ. Out to Manchester. Look there. Woo! Look at the rain cloud. This is in Portia Lane, guys. Portia Lane. Everybody house is flood out. The people them house flood out in that community. Woo!
Right now, nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Just me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we around to help them. Nobody can swim. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Nobody can cross it. If we around to hit them over. Fisherman can cross it and a fisherwoman cross it. Cannot swim? Just me.
You're going to St. Thomas.
One. Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Just me. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can manage the water. It's only something come over. Or if we around to help them.
Not all the vehicles
Can cross it.
This vehicle
Can cross it. We lock away in the wilderness. Nobody cross it.
Cross.
Nobody can cross it. Nobody cross it. The only who can swim. Cross it. Cross it.
Cross.
Nobody.
Share the road, block off, chop off. I bridges where a rabbitian them, not the politician them, you know. I bridges where politician them fix. Share the money of the people and nothing again.
It is coming! It is coming! It is coming! It is coming like crazy! Wow, look at this! Look at this! The tree is coming! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my God! Oh my God! Run! Oh my God! Look at that man! Oh my God! Man, this is crazy!
This is a lot. Lord, please don't let my car shut up, please.
You see that?
Renee, you should have in. Inside, you should have there.
Water come through my house. Water come through people's store.
Yeah. So it go to vote for Labour.
Yo. So look at my back my house, you see, look up. Yeah? Look up. Look at water, road here, look there. I'm telling you, it's not normal thing going on in our country right now, man. It's not normal. Okay, look there. Yeah? In a yard. Yeah, man.
Side, but the next side over dirt road. After you pass the bridge, the iron bridge, we are go St. Thomas way. We are go 10 miles over there, so riding.
Build wall, building a wall to this. You must step in this wall after. This is much cheaper. After go deal with it.
Eh?
You said the call about the whatever after go deal with it.
Load that Westy, a storm. Load that make it go on. Westy, me cloud.